And here we got Chrissy onto a snapper. Local waters, flat as a tack. First snapper for Chrissy. Looks like it's going to be a good one. You got him, Chris.
Oh shit, hunt man.
You got him, you got him. What's Pete got?
A little leathery?
Pete's got a little leathery. Chris is onto the big boy here. Pete's already got his. Oh shit. Pete.
What?
I think mine's gonna go. Mine's gonna go. Hold this. Pete, mine's gonna go! Oh, we're gonna double hook up here! Pete! Oh no! Oh shit! What are we gonna do? Oh fuck!
Alright, I'm gonna hang up. I'm gonna get in.
Pete, that is your
Look at him!
Oh shit, Pete, build this go back!
Oh, look at the size!
Oh, he's got a fish on it.
Yeah, that's a fucking fish!
Pete, build this shit. Oh, Petey, we're gonna double hook up here. The snaps are on fire. Petey. This is how you fish, you still got a leather jacket hanging.
Yeah.
Oh shit,
Fuck. Alright, Chris, take over. I'm ready to fucking pull him up. Yeah, take that
Let
in.
me get my leathery off. Do we want to keep him?
That's
the leathery?
not bad.
Whoa! Jesus Christ.
Pete battling his big leathery. Fucking hell, man.
That's a stonker, Chris. That is a fucking
It's
stonker.
not bad, eh? Say cheese, mate.
Hey, there you go, Chris. Yeah, it's alright, just came out a few k's off West Beach. Hit into some snapper. Break. Two boys popped their cherries on the snapper today.
I can't get this fucking thing out, man. Do we fly?
Fuck.
Fucking hell, mate.
That was an animal.
You got flies?
Oh, it's a bit hard at the moment.
Here,
I'm busy.
swap with me. I'll do it. Hey, pipe down, motherfucker.
I can't get him.
Too strong, eh?
Oh, little light gear. Yeah, I got a little custom kiss. Brucey.
Brucey.
Fuck.
Trade training facility for your apprentice or trainee, or need to upskill your trade? Here, they have dedicated trainers who know their stuff.
Oh, shit.
Here, you don't have to be employed by Peer to train them. Go to Peer to
Oh, fuck, he's pulling, eh?
Don't get much better than this, mate.
Come on, man, you've been battling him for fucking 2 minutes.
I
What's
know.
wrong, man? Get him up.
I'm trying, my biceps are about to explode. I knew I should be doing biceps.